Hi, I'm Ron Lund, and I get a lot of people calling and asking how to use the JR9503 with the GY701 gyro. This video I'm using a CGY750, but the 701 shares all the screens with the 750 that we're going to talk about. And I think the video is pretty self-explanatory. Enjoy. First thing you want to do is hold down the enter key, turn on the radio, and I would suggest you do a model reset. That's up to you. Then we're going to go to the device select screen. We're going to make sure that all these are active, and we're going to change aux2 to the flight mode switch. So this is exactly the way the screen should look when you're finished. Don't get sucked into the manual and change that to governor. It doesn't work. Make sure it's activated. Now we can turn the radio off, turn it back on. We'll go to the list, travel adjust, the gear, and reduce these values to 63%. Flip the gear switch, take that one to 63% as well. Go back up on the gear switch. Now, if you didn't do a data reset, you need to go to your gyro sense screen and make sure it's set to inhibit. Very important. Now we can turn on the gyro. And we're going to go to the governor basic menu. And you'll see when you flip the flight mode switch that you get 3 different gains. Now this is down and in normal mode, and let's just say that we want to run 1950 in normal mode. We just increase this until it says 1950, and let's say we want to run 2000 in stunt 1. We put it in stunt 1, and then we increase that to 2000. And in stunt 2, we might want 2100. So we increase that to 2100. Now I'm in stunt 2. I'm going to go to stunt 1 and back to normal. The next thing we have to do is we're going to go to the switch. Be sure to set your gear ratio. This isn't meant to be a tutorial on the governor, so we're going to skip that. Stick switch. This is where we're going to set where the governor comes on and off, but first we need to set our high and low throttle. So we go to limit set, put the stick all the way down, and press that. We put the stick all the way up, press it again. Now we can go back down on the stick, and we'll go back to stick switch. We're going to set that at about 30%. And then we're going to press the reset button for some reason. You can also press the set button. Maybe not. Looks like you got to press that one, and it writes the data. Now anything below 30%, you can see the governor's off. Anything above, it's on. The on-off switch, leave that inhibited. You don't need an on-off switch. So And that's it for the governor. Now we're going to go to the home screen. And you'll notice that the rudder gain right here is AVCS 50%. When I flip the gear switch, it's normal 48%. And we can go to the travel adjust gear. In normal mode, we can increase that just a little bit to get 50%. Or if you go down, you can take it down. And if you go all the way up to 150%, then you get 118% gain. So like about 125% is right around 100% gain, and 63 is right about 50. And then you can set your AVCS mode the same way. So that's the way you control your gain. And I showed you how to control the RPM. And that's it.